Hello, welcome back to Madhu's Plates YouTube cooking channel. Today we are going to make Gnanakatha cookies. Gnanakatha is a traditional Sri Lankan sweet. So are you ready to make Gnanakatha? We want these ingredients. 100 grams of flour, 20 grams of sugar, 75 grams of butter, 50 grams of icing sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder and vanilla. First place the pan on flame. Add butter. Melt the butter well. Keep the butter until cool. Sieve the flour. Put baking powder to sieved flour. Mix well. Sieve the icing sugar. Sift icing sugar into flour mixture. Mix well. Add pinch of salt. Mix again. Mix vanilla with melted butter. Put butter mixture to flour mixture little by little. Mix well. Make a soft dough. You can adjust the amount of flour if needed. Divide the dough into two portions and make 6 balls. Shape them into traditional Gnanakatha shapes like this. While doing this, you can preheat your oven about 10 minutes and 180 Celsius. Take sugar. Coat one side sugar. Take a baking tray and put the parchment paper. Keep all cookies on the baking tray. Bake it in oven about 20 minutes at 180 Celsius. Our cookies are baked now. Keep them on cooling rack about 5 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep spreading the love for food and culture. Take care and happy cooking! Don't forget to like and subscribe.